Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Over the last few episodes, we've been talking about the project view, and now we're going to move on to another view, and that is reporting. So let's take a look. On the left-hand side, if you go down below projects and click reporting, you'll actually see that reporting has several different areas that we can talk about. The first one we're going to cover is project sources. Now, we talked a little bit about this the other day when we were looking at the projects view, and we had the different columns that we could include in that view, and one of those was project sources. What project sources is it's a way for you to collect where people are hearing about you, how they're finding you, and you can use that for your marketing purposes. So if you know that most of your traffic is coming from Facebook, then you can spend more of your time and more of your effort on Facebook advertising or engaging in Facebook groups, or whatever it is that you're doing on Facebook to drive that traffic to your lead captures and to your business for new projects. So in the project sources area, if you wanted to create those project sources, you would click up here on the top right and click Add Source. Now, depending on your business, these sources could be anything. Could be Google, could be Facebook, could be something very specific. Maybe you go to like a networking group. It could be any way that people find you and your business that you want to track. So, for example, we'll just do a couple easy ones here. Let's say Google. You can select a color just to make it stand out in reporting and click Save. And that will add it automatically in here to your project sources area. Now let's add a couple more. Let's say Facebook is one, and maybe we'd also do Instagram. And just for grins, let's do another less digital version, and let's say we run a newspaper ad. Okay. Again, these can be any kind of source that you might have people coming to your business through. Now, in this area, once you have these set up, this information can then be put into your contact forms, your lead capture forms. Whenever you have a new lead come through, we can ask them this question of, how did you hear about me? And their answer can be recorded here in this reporting area. Again, we'll get to that in a little bit. It's not something we've covered yet, but just know that this is what this information is. What this project sources area does is it collects that information so that you can report on it and see where your marketing efforts are working and which efforts you maybe need to spend more time on, or maybe drop. Maybe Instagram, you're just not getting anybody from Instagram, so you should stop spending your time and focus on Instagram. If that's what the data shows you. Now, if you need to edit any of these, like maybe you want to be more specific about which newspaper. Let's just say the newspaper was the Fort Worth Star Telegram. I'm in Texas. That is a real paper. So you can click Save, and that can update it that way. If you no longer want one of these sources, or you don't need it, or you want to reorganize, you can always delete. So if you wanted to delete that one, you just hit delete. It gives you a nice little warning message. Make sure that you want to delete this because it cannot be undone, and then hit delete. And then it's gone. All right, that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links in the description below this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.